Welcome back for another edition of the remaining questions of that particular chapter. Before we start the remaining sections, we need to make sure we have an idea of how to draw 75 degree with compass. So you can add 60 degree plus 15 degree equals to 75 degree, or you can see it in another way, 90 degree minus 15 degree equals to 75 degree. So in order to draw 75 degree with compass, firstly I need to draw 90 degree. So my 90 degree is ready out here. Now I want everyone to be very much precise. Let's see whether the camera is able to capture this or not. Take this measurement. I hope it's captured. So make an arc somewhere out here. Okay, now your compass should not move. Keep it out here and then try to cut the arc. If it does not cut, go back to the same place where we started. Make the arc a little longer. Yes, make a point. So let's try joining. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. During this lockdown, all the stationaries are closed and I can't even get a plastic scale. So this is my 75 degree. Let's check with the projector. Yup, you all can see it's 70, between 70 and 80, the long line 75. Okay, so you all can see it in this way also. This and this is a 60 degree. You added 15 degree, 75. Or you all can see it this way. This is a 90 degree and from 90 you subtracted 15 degree. You got 75. Whatever you wish to say. So this is how we draw 75 degree with compass. Okay guys, let's draw 55 degree with compass. Okay, again I have my 90 degree ready. So this one is a 60 degree, which you all know. And I forgot to mention one thing. This side is a 120 degree. If you draw a line segment and join this point, you get 120 degree. This one is 60, this one is 120, which I had forgotten to mention. Okay, now my 90 degree is ready. So with the same measurement which you have taken, make sure your compass does not move. Now be very precise with these few steps. Okay, let me keep my compass out here. Make an arc here. I hope everyone can see an arc out here. Now see this semicircle or an arc. Where has it intersected the 90 degree? Out here. So be precise with this. Keep your compass here in that place where the semicircle or the arc is meeting 90 degree, and then you intersect that arc. Yes, this way. Make a point out here. I can see almost all the students, they are confused when they have to draw 55 degree. Let's draw 55 degree. Yes, always check with the protector whether your 55 degree is perfect or not. Let me place it. Yup, here you all can see between 50 and 60 I have my 55 degree. Okay, so these are the angles that's there in our question or in our exercises, and I've just focused on these angles. There are many other angles, but I'm not focusing on that. I'm just focusing on the angles that I need for my particular exercise. Thank you. Well, so now you can see we have a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one of the angle is 90 degree. So a right angle triangle having two sides 4 cm and 8 cm length containing right angle. So these two sides 4 cm and 8 cm, they contain the right angle. And you need, where is the third side? The third side is not given to you. So you need to use your brain and draw the right triangle so that you can draw the circumcircle. So it says a right angle triangle having two sides 4 cm and 8 cm containing right angle. So sides containing right angle. So if I'll just roughly draw a right angle triangle, looks somewhat like this. So it says sides containing right angle. So if I give names to the sides A, B, C, so this side does not contain right angle. So the sides containing right angle is this one and this one. So these two sides are given to you, not this one. So you need to use your brain and draw this triangle. So firstly, let's have the samples. 4 cm. I hope my camera captures 4 cm and 8 cm. And during this period of lockdown, this is all I could manage, and luckily my wife is helping me with her phone because my phone is damaged, you all know it. So let's draw a right angle triangle first. So you can take any one as 4, you can take this one as 4, you can take this one as 8, or you can take this one as 4, you can take this one as 8, anything that you all wish to do. So let's take the longer side as the base. So again, these are long line segment AX, and let's take the longer side. Okay, where's my compass? The advantage of drawing a sample is this. Yep, 8 centimeter. Let's put it out here. That's where I get my base, because these are the sides that contains the right angle. 8 centimeter, and then 4 centimeter out here. But how if I just draw 4 centimeter? Let's see. Yes, but what will you do with this? What will you do? You cannot draw. That's why, remember, is that the one? That's if you remember, I taught you all how to draw 90 degree and 45 degree. 90 degree and 45. Since I've told you sides containing right angle, so if I take this as 8, this would be 4. So, and if I take this as 4, this would be 8. So since I've already taken 8, let's measure 4 centimeter from the sample. Let's give it out here. Yes. Then you get C. So I'm so sorry, I've already written C out there. So this is the point C. Now you'll join C and B. Let's try joining C and B. Okay. Yes, that's when I get my triangle, a right angle triangle. So the first step, a right angle triangle with sides 8 centimeter and dimension 4 centimeter is drawn. So B and C, what did you do? Don't write this. This is just to show you. Join yourself. So how do we draw this right angle triangle? We draw this 90 degree and this hypotenuse. This is called perpendicular. This is called base. This hypotenuse BC. You joined yourself. So this is just for your knowledge. Don't show in the book or don't show in the copy. Now, perpendicular bisector of AB. I've told you any two sides. AB and AC is drawn. Now look here. AB is drawn. AC. Now if I try to draw perpendicular bisector of AC, it might go outside. So under these conditions, use the brain. So take perpendicular bisector of AB and let's take BC. So you can cut this and write BC depending on your copy where you have drawn your diagram. So perpendicular bisector of AB and BC is drawn, which meets at O. So let's draw the perpendicular bisector. Firstly, let's draw perpendicular bisector of AB. I've taught you anything more than half. Maybe it might come somewhere out here. It's alright. Let's try to join it. It does not join. Go there. Extend the line. Let's extend this line a little more. Come to B. You all know the steps now. Yes. So this is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Be very precise. Be very precise. So I have the perpendicular bisector of AB and I said BC because I have enough space this side. Take more than half. I can clearly see this is more than half. So let's make an arc somewhere out here. Let's make an arc somewhere out here. Always up and down when you draw arcs. Let's cut this arc. Let's cut this arc. Yes. So I can see it somewhere out here. I can see it somewhere out here. So let's join these intersecting points. Yes, this is where I get my O. And always remember, whenever you are drawing a circumcircle to a right angle triangle, if your diagram is really accurate, your point O will always be on the hypotenuse. If you are perfect, if your diagram is really accurate, I can say that your meeting point of these two perpendicular bisector will always be on the hypotenuse. Now I don't need to join OB because already this line is here. I don't need to join OC because this line is already here. But still, let's mention this step. Join OA, OB and OC, and with anyone as circumradius, a circumcircle is drawn. So let's join OA. Yes, join it with dots. We have OA. Take anyone has the measurement. OA, OB, OC. Let's take OA because OB and OC are already joined. Yes, I have the measurement of OA. I have the camera is capturing. Let's draw the same. Let's draw the circumcircle. Yep, it's almost perfect. Okay guys, it's on the vertex here, it's on the vertex here. A little is missed out here, but that can be ignored. Let's measure the circumradius, which I've forgotten to tell you all. So since I'm using this wooden scale, I'm not getting exactly, maybe it's 4.5. So write it out here. Therefore, circumradius OA equals to 4.5 approx. Thank you, people. Okay, let's go to question number 4. It says again a right angle triangle, that means 90 degree, put that in head, having length 12 centimeter hypotenuse. Now it precisely says hypotenuse is 12. You don't have the liberty. In the previous question it was sides containing right angle. Two sides were given, you could choose any one side as the base, but it says 12 centimeter hypotenuse and the other side is a 5 centimeter length. So two things are given, one is 12 centimeter hypotenuse and the other side is a 5 centimeter length. So I draw samples of 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Clearly it says 12 centimeter is the hypotenuse. So let me just show you a diagram. Look at this. This is a perpendicular, this is a base, and this is a hypotenuse. Always remember that. So hypotenuse 12 centimeters given. That means somewhere out here, this is a hypotenuse, this is a base. So let's take 5 centimeter as the base, because it does not say 5 centimeter as the hypotenuse. The other side, it says the other side. So if I have the base, then that will be helpful to me. Okay, so this is the other side which I have taken as the base. So AB equals to 5 centimeter. And then it says hypotenuse is 12, but how can I draw a hypotenuse? So I'm telling you people out here, drawing a circumcircle is not a big deal, but drawing the right triangle or getting the triangle right is the biggest deal out here. So since it says a right angle triangle, firstly I'll draw 90 degree out here. So my 90 degree is ready. In my previous question it said 8 and 4 or 4 and 8, but this is not mentioned to me this time. Hypotenuse 12 centimeters given to me, so I'll measure the hypotenuse. Okay, now since it says hypotenuse, not from here, no, this is wrong. Since it says hypotenuse from here, from B, yes, this is the hypotenuse. So last time you had to join yourself, but this time you have the measurement is supplied to you. So let me be very much precise. Yes. Okay, so do mention this one is your 12 centimeter and this one was just a 90 degree. Okay, so now I'll expect you all to do the remaining circumcircle yourself. So the first step will be same, a right angle triangle having length 12 centimeter hypotenuse and other side is a 5 and other side of 5 centimeter length is drawn. Second step, you take any two sides. I said any two sides and do it yourself. That's for you all to do. Best of luck, guys. Okay, let's go to question number 5. A triangle whose one side is 6.7 centimeter and the two angles adjacent to the sides are 75 and 55. So this triangle is totally different than from what you have done up till now. One side is given and two angles are given. Use your brain, guys. One side is given, two angles. So from here one angle, from here another angle, not two sides. So as I've told you people, it's about drawing the triangle correctly. If you draw the triangle correctly, your circumcircle will be an easy task for you. So as you can see, only one side is given. So let's take that side as the base. That will help us. So my sample of 6.7 centimeters is ready. And then I have a B, 6.7 centimeter. Now guys, two angles, 75 and 55. So I'll keep my compass out here. So I'll protector out here. Now using compass, I'll draw 75 degree, which will be somewhere out here. And whenever we are using protector and measuring from this side, that time, now supposing if I draw 55 degree out here, then use your logic, guys. Your 75 degrees out here, your 55 is out here. You'll never get a triangle, you'll get a parallelogram. So when you are using the protector this side, so and I'm drawing a triangle, your 55 degree will be this side between 50 and 60. So, and I have already taught you all how to draw 75 degree with compass, 55 degree with compass. So I need this right now. So let's draw a 75 degree. Okay, in order to draw 75 degree, firstly I need to draw 90 degree, which you all know. By now you all are perfect, I believe, in drawing a 90 degree. Yes, my 90 degrees ready. Okay, fine, my 90 degrees ready. Always measure it with a protractor. Now, since my 90 degrees ready and I'm trying to draw 75 degree. So be very, very precise. Take this measurement. Again, I have the camera is able to show this. Take this measurement. Make an arc here. Keep your compass here. Cut this arc. Because this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, this gap is 30 degree. From where I am dividing into two parts, 15 and 15. That's where I get my 75 degree. I've already taught you all how to draw. So this is my 75 degree. Make sure this is in dots. Dots. I'm so sorry. Dot, 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 dot. So that you don't confuse yourself. So now from B, let me try to draw 55 degree. So this angle is 75 degree and the other angle has to be 55 degree. So again, I'm drawing a 55 degree, but it has to come this side. Let's draw 90 degree. By now you all are perfect, I believe, in drawing a 90 degree. Yes. Your compass should not move. Make sure your compass does not move. So let's make it in dots because 90 degrees is not our main concern. So it should be in dots. Let's try drawing 55 degree. Your compass should not move as I've told you. So with the same measurement, keep your compass here. Make an arc here. And with the same measurement, keep your compass here and cut this arc. Yes. Now this is my 55 degrees. Yes, this is my, let's measure it with your protector. I've told you, don't measure this side, you'll never get a triangle. Use your logic, use your brain. We are living in the advanced world. Yes, between 50 and 60, I have my 55 degree. So I have my 55 degree. So here you don't need to mention sides, you don't know how much are they. So this is C. So I have my triangle ready. It's your duty to draw the circumcircle. So the first step will be a triangle whose one side is 6.7 centimeter and the two angles adjacent to the sides, don't write R, to the sides 75 degree and 55 degree is drawn. And then draw perpendicular bisector of any two sides, finish the circumcircle yourself. That's for you all to do. Okay, let's go to question number 6. AB is a triangle of which BC is 5, angle ABC is 100 and AB is 4. Okay, here we have two sides and one angle. We are used to writing A out here and X out here. You will get it right this way also, but I want to show it to you all in another way. Let's look at the angle properly. I'm not saying this is wrong, this is right, but let's look at it in a different way. Angle ABC is 100. So that means if my A is here and if my B is here, then from here I'm used to drawing an angle of 110 degree. So instead of taking A as the base, instead of taking this AB as the base, let's take this BC as the base out here and let's see what happens. It will be much easier for us. Let's write B here. So our sample is how much? 5 centimeter. You can take it with A also. I'm not saying that's wrong. That will also be right. So let's take BC. Okay, fine. Now I have my BC equals to 5 centimeter. So the advantage of this is our angle ABC is 100 degree. So I can keep my compass protector here, measure it. Let's go to 100. Yes. So this is my 100 degree. Okay, let me show it to you all. See it one more time. See it one more time. It's 90 and then it goes that side. It's 100 degree. So I have my 100 degree now. Okay, this is 100 degree. Now my A will be somewhere out here. Let's see how much is my AB. AB is 4 centimeter. Let's measure AB 4 centimeter. Now A will be somewhere out here. Keep a compass here. Make an arc here. This is a 4 centimeter. So your A. And then again this one, what you'll have to do? You'll have to join yourself. Don't write this in your copy. This is just for you all to understand. Join yourself. So your triangle is ready. Draw the circumcircle yourself. Okay, few questions for you all to do as your homework. They are not in your book. First question: draw a circumcircle to a scalene triangle. Scalene means all sides are different. Equilateral means all sides are same. Scalene means all sides are different. So draw a circumcircle to a scalene triangle with sides. So all the three sides are given. Make a sample. Once you make a sample, there are different ways you can draw this. You can take 7 here. You can do it this way also. Or if you want to take 6 centimeter here, you can do it this way also. Or if you want to take 5.2 as the base, you can do it this way. There may be many other combinations also. So do this one as a homework yourself. Okay, draw 3 samples. Take anything wherever you want, but draw the circumcircle and give me the circumradius. Next question. So the next question: draw a triangle PQR where QR is 5 centimeter, angle PQR is 60, and angle PRQ is 45 degree. Okay, let's have the sample of 5 centimeter. We have 2 angles given. So we are used to writing AX. But this is wrong. You cannot write AX right now because the question says triangle PQR. So, and one side is given to us. So let's take this side as the base. So it says QR is 5 centimeter. So let's measure QR. Yes. So now instead of A, I'll write this as Q and I'll write this as R, and this is my 5 centimeter. Now it says angle PQR is 60 degree. So now if this is Q and this is R, your P is somewhere out here. It says PQR is 60. So if I just write P out here, my PQR should be 60 degrees. So you'll draw 60 degree yourself out here. So let's imagine our P is here. So it becomes PQR as 60 degree, and it says PRQ is 45. So PRQ is 45 degree. So you'll draw 45 degree yourself. So but this time your 45 degree will be this side. So your 60 degree will be going this side, which should be 60 degree. Use a protector, and your 45 degree should be drawn this side. Then only you'll get a triangle. If you draw a 45 degree this side, you'll never get a triangle. So this is for you all to draw. Okay people, take care, and then I'll meet you all in the next video with a new topic called encircle. Take care.